Want to increase the value of your home without breaking the bank? Here are some DIY projects that can help you do just that. Homeownership is a huge investment, and many homeowners look for ways to increase their property's value without spending too much money. While some major renovations require professional help, there are plenty of DIY, do-it-yourself projects that can not only enhance the look and feel of your home, but also increase its market value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to improve your home for personal enjoyment, these easy and affordable projects will make your home more attractive to potential buyers and raise its overall value. The best part? You don't need to be an expert handyman to get these done. Let's dive into the DIY home projects that will help you boost your property value. 1. Freshen up your walls with paint. One of the simplest and most effective ways to increase your home's value is by applying a fresh coat of paint. Painting is not only budget-friendly, but it can also completely transform a room in just a few hours. Why paint matters? Neutral colors like white, beige, or light gray are appealing to most buyers as they create a clean and inviting atmosphere. They also make rooms appear larger and brighter. Avoid using bold, bright colors unless it's in an accent area, as they can be off-putting to some potential buyers. Tips for a successful paint job. Prep your walls by cleaning and sanding them before painting. Use high-quality paint and brushes to ensure a smooth, professional finish. Don't forget the trim. Fresh white trim can make a huge difference. 2. Install a new backsplash in the kitchen. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and it's one of the areas buyers pay close attention to. Installing a new backsplash is an affordable DIY project that can elevate the entire look of your kitchen. Why it works. A stylish backsplash adds texture, color, and personality to your kitchen. Plus, it's relatively easy to install with peel-and-stick tiles or adhesive tiles. A clean, modern backsplash can make your kitchen look more updated and appealing. DIY tips for installing a backsplash. Measure your space before purchasing tiles to avoid overbuying. Clean the wall surface thoroughly to ensure good adhesion. Use a level to make sure your tiles are straight. Consider trendy materials like subway tiles, glass, or even peel-and-stick options. 3. Upgrade your curb appeal with landscaping. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers will see. A well-maintained lawn and attractive landscaping can make a huge difference in the perceived value of your property. Why landscaping boosts value? Landscaping is a great way to make your home look well cared for and inviting. Simple projects like planting flowers, adding mulch, or trimming bushes can significantly improve your curb appeal. It's one of the least expensive ways to increase your home's overall value. Easy landscaping ideas. Mow your lawn regularly and keep it tidy. Plant colorful flowers or shrubs in front of your house. Add mulch to flower beds to give them a clean, polished look. Create a simple pathway with decorative stones or bricks to lead to your front door. 4. Install new lighting fixtures. Lighting can make or break the ambiance of a room. Installing new lighting fixtures is an affordable and easy way to instantly update your home and make it feel more modern. Why it works. New lighting fixtures can brighten up a room and give it a more luxurious feel. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and modern sconces can add a touch of elegance to kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. DIY tips for installing lighting fixtures. Choose fixtures that match the style of your home. Swap out old, outdated fixtures for more modern, energy-efficient ones. If you're installing ceiling lights, make sure to turn off the power at the breaker before getting started. Consider using LED bulbs to save on electricity bills while still providing plenty of light. 5. Build or update a deck. If your home has a backyard, building or updating a deck can be a game changer. A deck is an extension of your living space and can become the perfect area for outdoor dining, entertaining, or relaxing. Why it works. A well-built deck adds extra square footage to your home, which can significantly increase its value. It also creates a space where buyers can imagine spending time outdoors, which is a huge selling point. DIY tips for building or updating a deck. If you're building a deck from scratch, make sure to check your local building codes and secure the proper permits. Use pressure-treated wood or composite materials to ensure durability. Update your existing deck by sanding it down and applying a fresh coat of stain or paint. 6. Update your bathroom with new fixtures. Bathrooms are another area where small updates can make a big difference. Replacing old, outdated fixtures with modern ones can give your bathroom a fresh, contemporary feel and make it more appealing to buyers. Why it works. Replacing old faucets, shower heads, or cabinet hardware can instantly modernize a bathroom. Even if you don't want to do a full remodel, swapping out a few key fixtures can have a dramatic impact. DIY tips for updating bathroom fixtures. Choose fixtures that match the style of your bathroom, modern, rustic, or traditional. Consider updating the mirror, lighting, and cabinet hardware for a fresh look. If you're on a budget, look for affordable alternatives at local home improvement stores. 7. Replace or refresh your flooring. Flooring is one of the first things people notice when they walk into a room. If your floors are worn out or outdated, replacing them can give your home a fresh, new look. Why it works. New floors can make a room feel cleaner and more modern. Hardwood floors, in particular, are a highly sought-after feature and can significantly increase your property's value. However, even if you can't afford hardwood, there are many affordable alternatives like laminate or vinyl that still look great. DIY tips for replacing flooring. If replacing carpet, consider easy-to-install vinyl planks or laminate flooring. If you have hardwood floors, sanding and refinishing them can restore their beauty at a fraction of the cost of replacing them. Don't forget to include baseboards when updating your flooring to complete the look. 8. Add a fresh coat of stain or paint to your front door. Your front door is an important part of your home's first impression, and giving it a fresh coat of paint or stain can enhance your home's curb appeal. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Why it works. A colorful or bold front door makes your home feel welcoming and adds personality. It's one of the quickest and easiest ways to make your property stand out to potential buyers. DIY tips for painting or staining your front door. Choose a color that complements your home's exterior. Sand the door down before painting or staining to ensure a smooth finish. Add new hardware, like a modern doorknob or handle, to complete the look. 9. Create an open-concept space. Remove a non-load-bearing wall. If you have a small, cramped room, consider removing a non-load-bearing wall to open up the space. This is a more advanced DIY project, but it can completely transform the flow of your home and make it feel more spacious. Why it works. Open-concept spaces are in high demand because they make homes feel bigger and more connected. Removing a wall between the kitchen and living room, for example, can create a bright, airy space that is perfect for modern living. DIY tips for removing a wall. Ensure the wall you want to remove is non-load-bearing. If you're unsure, consult a professional. Be prepared for some dust and mess. This can be a big project. After removing the wall, consider adding a kitchen island or bar to maintain some separation between the two spaces. 10. Install smart home features. Incorporating smart home technology can make your property more attractive to tech-savvy buyers. Adding features like smart thermostats, lighting, or security cameras can make your home feel modern and efficient. Why it works. Smart home features are becoming increasingly popular, especially for younger buyers who want convenience and control. Plus, they can help you save money on energy bills in the long run. DIY tips for installing smart features. Start with easy-to-install devices like a smart thermostat, doorbell, or lighting system. Choose devices that are compatible with your current home system, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Set everything up and familiarize yourself with the devices so you can demonstrate them to potential buyers. Improving your home's value doesn't always require expensive renovations. By taking on these DIY projects, you can enhance your home's appearance, functionality, and overall value without breaking the bank. Whether it's painting a room, upgrading your kitchen, or improving your outdoor space, each project will help you make the most out of your property. Remember, small changes can have a big impact, and the effort you put into these improvements will pay off when it's time to sell or simply enjoy your upgraded living space. If you found these DIY ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on home improvement and property value boosting. Happy renovating!